This is a video response to what does your refrigerator say about you? So, we have eggs, 2 things of eggs. This is some cannot believe it's not butter. We got, let's see here, some Diet Pepsi, grapes, salsa, egg whites, sugar-free chocolate and vanilla pudding. We got some, let's see here, Diet V8, milk, Cool Whip, hard-boiled eggs, pickles in the background, some Smart Water, some garlic, some tomato sauce. Then we got some cheese and veggie slices, ham, shredded cheese, Kraft single sharp cheddar. Yep. Then we go down one, and we have the fruits and vegetables, onions, more grapes, carrots, tomatoes, lettuce. Then, yes, we do have medicine in our refrigerator. We got cream cheese, a butter canister, half empty. We have orange marmalade, some curry peanut sauce. We got garlic, peppers. We got some Pepto-Bismol. We got some mojo sauce, beer, olives, jelly, ranch. We got Sprite, Diet Coke, more beer, water. Onto the fridge. We got artificial crab meat, some ice cream, Ben & Jerry's. We got some beef patties, ice maker. And we got some ground beef, vegetables, popsicles, beef, a pizza, chicken, and last but not least, French fries. So, tell me age, location, race, and appearance. Have a great day.